It's morning time and the chicks need to come out. I'm gonna show you exactly how we get that done because it's so hot out here that we have to keep them inside in a bin for the day. And then in the morning I bring them out here and I let them stay outside as long as possible. So this is our chick routine. Welcome to American Roots. So I brought the chicks out. We have to be very careful because with 8 dogs, they wake up very easy if they hear the chicks chirping. And the chicks start making noise when they hear my voice. So I moved them outside and grabbed my camera. So I'm gonna move them into the pen. We've been really struggling with ants. I have been reluctant to put anything down because of the chicks. So I've been pulling the coop closer and closer to the gate. Yesterday we didn't notice any ants. Today all I see are these like beetles. So I'm gonna just check the area. That looks like dog poop. How a dog got in here. That's pigeon poop. I don't see any ants. I'm actually gonna leave it. I just heard someone else's rooster. Now the thing is, these ladies are really starting to get their wings and take flight. They are getting bigger and bigger by the day. And so I have to be very careful how I put them in there because they want to start flying. And you would think that a 3-foot tall coop would be okay for little chicks, but I was wrong. It's not. They were like flying to the top yesterday. So I need to get the lid and get that on before I start putting them in. There, at least it's on a little bit, so I can shove them in there. And I always want to make sure that I like stuff this area just so that they don't have any like holes to get through. There she is. There she is. There she is. Good morning. There you go, ladies. Go. I've been putting this stand in here, and it's from my Berkey. And I've been putting the food and water on it, and it's really been working out. See, they're all over there eating in their dust bath. I love seeing them be chickens. Little baby girls. I need to put their water in there. And they got their water and their dust bath and their food. They are happy little girls. And that is their morning routine. I don't want anything to happen to them I have dogs lurking. I usually pick up the chairs, clear everything away, shut the fence. There, it's all closed. They can be happy little chicks in there. And I check on them really periodically, because you can have no ants one minute and the next minute there could be a whole swarm of them. We're going to be out here building today, so I'll be shooting the video for making the new coop. So we'll be out here with them, but I just wanted to show you how we have been acclimating to keeping chicks in 115 degree weather. Thanks for taking the time to watch what I do. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, we pray that you're blessed. We'll see you soon.